Good morning to all of you children. In today's session, let's learn about how to change the singular into plural. We have already learned about certain rules, how to change the singular into plural form. So in today's class, we'll be learning about the other 4 rules, how to change the singular, the rules to change from singular to plural. Okay, so let's revise what we have already learned in the previous session. What's the first rule we have learned, Pranav? Can you tell me what's the rule what we have learned in the previous session? Yes? Pranav, are you there? Otherwise, you can raise your hands. That person will be called out. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes. What's the first rule we learned, Pranav?
add yes to
Uh,
the words.
yes. Add yes to the singular form to change them into plural. Okay. To add yes to the singular form to make them into plural. Very good, Pranav. Janita, can you tell me the second rule, what we have learned? Unmute, Janita.
Ma'am,
Yes.
add yes.
Yes, Janita, come on, tell me.
Yes to. Ma'am,
What's the second rule we have learned? Others, those who know the answers, please do raise your hands.
yes.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Add es to the words that ends in. Yes, add es to the words that ends in which all letters? CH, SH, S, double S, and X. Okay, so to change from singular into plural, we add es to the words, those words, that words end in CH, SH, S, double S, X, and O. Okay, so that's the second rule we learned. What's the third rule we learned? The
Add
third rule.
IES.
IES, yes. Words that end in Y. Okay, if it is preceded by a consonant, what we have to do, the letter before the Y, if it is a consonant, all of you please remember, the letter before the Y, that is what I'm telling you, preceded by a consonant. What we have to do, change the Y or drop that Y off and add IES to the word to change into plural form. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is preceded by a vowel, what we have to do, just add yes to the plural form. Clear? So
Yes,
these
ma'am.
are the 4 rules we have learned in the previous session. In
Yes,
today's class, we'll be learning about 4 more rules. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so let's move on to it. Let's have a short recap of what we have already learned. Then
Okay,
we'll move on
ma'am.
to the today's session. So we
Okay,
learned
ma'am.
from the rule 1. All of you, please, I wanted all of you to be ready with your English grammar workbook, and together with it, I wanted your rough book too. Please keep
Yes,
it on the
ma'am.
table. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you all ready? So the rule number 1 is, some words change into plural by just adding yes to the singular form. Okay? So some words change
Okay,
into
ma'am.
plural by just adding yes to the singular form. That is rule number 1. That is boy, it is boys, dog, it is dogs,
Dogs.
cart, it is carts,
Cart.
chair, chairs,
Chairs,
pen, pens,
pens,
doll,
doll,
dolls.
dolls.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
they change into plural by adding yes to the singular form. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the second rule is that, the rule 2, it is clearly given. We add es to the words that end in ch, sh, o, s, double s, and x to make them into plural form. Is that clear? So these words are ostrich. So what we have to do, ostrich.
Ostrich.
Add es to the words that end in ch. Okay. Similarly, dish. The word ends in.
Yes. Dishes.
Add es to the word to change it into plural. Similarly, the word ends in
Fox.
fox, x.
X.
Add es to the
X.
word to make them into plural.
Yes. X.
It ends in o. So
Go.
mangoes. Add es to the
Mangoes.
word to make them into plural.
Plural.
Bus. Bus,
Buses.
buses. Add
S.
es. Similarly, I
S.
told you 2s. That is class. What is that? Classes. C-L-A-S-S-E-S. Similarly, glass. G-L-A-S-S. Glass. It is glasses. S-S-E-S.
Yes.
So these are the words. Okay. So the words
Yes, ma'am.
that end in C-H, S-H,
S-H,
yes,
S,
double
double
S,
S,
O,
O,
and X.
X.
What we have to do? Add ES to the words to make them into plural. That was the
Okay,
second
ma'am.
rule. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now we'll move on to the third rule is that if the words ended Y preceded by a consonant, what we have to do? Drop the Y, add IES to the word. Drop the Y off and add IES. Instead of Y, change that Y into I and add ES to the words. Okay,
ma'am.
change that Y into I and add ES to the word. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, city,
Cities.
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 Okay, so drop
Yes.
the Y and add IES to it. Country,
Countries.
countries, IES. Okay, if it is preceded by a vowel, what we will do? Okay, if we preceded by a vowel, what we will do? If it's a vowel, just add yes to the word to make them
Yes.
into plural. Okay, just add yes to the word to make them into plural. Key. What is it?
Keys.
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 Okay. Yes. So these are the rules we have already learned. In today's session, we'll be learning about other rules too. Okay, the other rules what we are going to learn here today is if the words end in F or FE, okay, if the words end in F or FE, we form the plurals by changing F or FE into VES. Okay, we change or we form the plurals by changing F or FE into VES. Is that clear? Okay, we form the plurals by changing F or FE into VES. Okay, that's the first one. So, for example, leaf. The word has ended with F. So what we have to do?
Leaves.
What we have to do? Change the F or FE into VES to form them into plural form. So F, change that into VES, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Okay, so if the words end in F or FE, we form the plurals by changing F or FE into VES. Okay, so here are some of the words. I can't show for everything pictures. So we for words ending in F or FE, we form the plurals by changing F or FE into VS. How do we form the plurals, children? By changing F or FE into VS. Okay, so how do we form the plurals? If the words end in F or FE, we changing F or FE into VES. So calf, it ends with F. So add VES to it. So it is calf, calves, C-A-L-V-E-S. Knife, it is knives, K-N-I-V-E-S. Thief, it is thieves, T-H-I-E-V-E-S. Wife, it is wives, W-I-V-E-S. Wolf, it is wolves, W-O-L-V-E-S. Clear? Learn it well. So it is calf, knife, thief, wife, wolf. So it is calf means calves, knife, knives, thief, it is thieves, wife, wives, wolf, wolves. Okay. Now, this rule, even though the words ends in, even though the words end in F or FE, for certain words, the rule does not follow. Okay, for certain words, it do not follow the rule. For those words are, all of you please have a look. Chef, it is chefs. Okay, for chef, it is chefs. Chief, C-H-I-E-F, chief. It is chiefs. Okay, roof. It is roofs. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. So we have told that, we have learned that if the words end in F or FE, we form the plurals by changing F or FE into VES. But some nouns do not follow this rule. So those words are chef, chefs, chief, chiefs, roof, roofs. Please do learn it. Roof, roofs, ROOFS, chef, chefs, chief, chiefs. Okay, but other words as such, if the words end in F or FE, what we have to do by changing F or FE into VS. But that rule did not follow, but few words do not follow the same rule. For those words are, please keep in mind these three words, okay? Roof, chef, chief. Clear? So the first rule is very clear to all of you. Okay, these are the three words which do not follow. There are many other words, but only three words we learn it in grade 2. Okay, so the rule which do not follow the same rule what we have learned. Okay, for some nouns we do not follow the rule what it's applicable, even though it ends with F. We do not follow, we do not add VS to it, we just add yes to the words. Okay, so roof, roofs, chef, chefs, chief, chiefs. Okay then. Now let's move on to the next rule. The next rule is that for singular as well as for plural, the word does not differ. It is the same word. Okay, so the nouns would not change in plural. Those words are, the nouns have the same form in singular and plural. Let's see those words. Sheep, sheep. The singular form and the plural form is the same. Both are same. Sheep, sheep. Even though it's plural, we say it is sheep, sheep. Deer, deer. Even though it's singular or plural, we say it has deer. Even for fish, fish, fish. Only if it is plural, we don't call it as fishes. Only if it is a variety of fishes, we say it is fishes. Clear? Okay, if the fisherman is bringing a different types of fish, then we say it is fishes. If it is plural, if it's more than one, we call it as fish, fish. Okay, so these are the three words that the singular and the plural form do not differ. It is the same. Deer, sheep, fish. Please do keep it in your mind. Okay, now we'll move on to the next rule. One more rule we will learn. Okay, the singular nouns form the plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels. Okay, the singular nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels. Okay, a singular nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels. Okay, so it is man. The inside vowel will be changed. That is men. Okay, man, men. Tooth, teeth. Tooth, teeth. Okay, tooth, teeth. Form the plurals by changing the inside vowel or vowels. Ox, oxen. Mouse, mice. Woman, women. Foot, feet. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Mouse, mice. Woman, women. Foot, feet. Child, children. Okay. So the singular is ox, the plural is oxen. All of you please do learn it. Ox it is oxen. Ox, the plural form it is oxen. Mouse, mice. Mouse, the plural form it is mice. Woman, women. Okay? Woman, women. Foot, feet. Child, children. Have all of you learnt it? Yes? Ox, oxen. Mouse, mice. Woman, women. Foot, feet. Child, children. Okay? So almost we have learned 4 rules now. So can you recall it? All the rules what we have learned? First is, if the words end in F or FE, we change or we form the plurals by adding VES to it. That's the first rule. Second rule is that for all the words, we do not follow the same rule. There are 3 words I've taught you. Which are those words? Chef, chief, and roof. Okay, just we have to add yes to the word to form them into plural. The next rule what we have learned is we learned about 3 words. The singular and the plural are the same. Okay, that is deer, deer, sheep, sheep, fish, fish. The last rule what we have learned in today's session is that the inside vowels may change. Okay, the inside vowel changes. That is, those are called as irregular nouns too. So those words are man, men, tooth, teeth, woman, women, mouse, mice, foot, feet, child, children. Okay, have you understood? It is given there in your book, but it is given as exceptions rules. Okay, all the rules are given together. It is given as exception to these rules. It is given, but I've taught you as rule as such. Okay, it is given there in your book, but it is given on all, at a stretch, it is given there, exception to these rules are. Okay, so let us move on to it. We will do just a recapping session, and then all of you please do take your rough book. All of you please do take your rough book. Okay, so let's have a recap of the session. The first rule what we have learned is that if the words end in F or FE, change or we form the plurals by changing F or FE into VES. That's the first rule. That is for wife, what we will do? It is wives, VES. Okay, for wolf, it is wolves. Okay, for all the words, this rule does not apply. For those words are chef, it is chefs. For chief, it is chiefs. And it is for roof, it is roofs. Okay, clear? All of you please have a look at it. Now, the next rule what we have learned, next rule what we have learned, next rule what we have learned, the second rule is that there are certain words which the singular and the plural form are the same. Those words are sheep, sheep. Please do learn it. Fish, fish. The singular and the plural form is the same. Fish, fish. Only if it's a variety of fish, we do say fishes. For plural form, we say only fish. Similarly, deer, it is deer. That's the second rule. Okay, now we'll move on to the third rule where the inside vowel changes. Okay, those words are, which are those words? Which are those words, children? That is the third rule. Man, men. Foot, feet. The inside vowels changes in order to form into plural. Okay, Oman. The pronunciation is different. So it is women. Okay, tooth. It is teeth. Okay, mouse. It is mice. Mouse, it is mice. Similarly, child, children. Children. Okay, so all these are the words we have learned in today's session. Is that clear? Now let's move on to a test paper. Okay, so are you all ready? Are you all ready, children? So all of you, please do take your rough book. Okay, so can we write it? Singular and okay, the first one. Are you all ready? Okay, CHIEF, thief. Write the answers. Roof, ROOF, roof. Third word is sheep, SHEEP, sheep. The fourth word is mouse, MOUSE, mouse. The fifth word is tooth, TOOTH, tooth. Children, after you finish your test paper, this is a test paper for 5 marks. Okay. Write the question and then the answers, and we will self-evaluate our marks. Okay. So based on all the rules we have learned, I've given here 5 words. Based on the rules, you write it up. Write the answers. Finish, children? Let us write the answers. Yes? Okay. Thief. So this word ends in F. So we have to follow the rule. If the words end in F or FE, what we have to do? We have to form the plurals by changing F or FE into VES. So this rule is applicable here. It is TH, sorry, Thieves, thieves. Only the F or FE will change. So Thieves. Okay. So children, the spelling should be correct. I'll write it once more for you. Thieves, thieves. Okay. The second word is, here this rule doesn't apply. Why? Means this word ends, even though it ends with F, here it is ROOFS, roofs. Okay. So here it is sheep. Here I've told you, here for singular as well as for plural, it is the same. So sheep, it is sheep. For mouse, it is. We have learned that inside vowel may change, but here it is mice. Tooth, it is teeth. Okay. So these words have to be learnt well. It is mice, it is teeth. Okay. So have you all learnt it? If it's right, children, put a tick mark. And write there 5 out of 5. Have you all finished? Yes? Okay. Let me see you all. How many of you have got 5 out of 5? Have you learned the rules? Yes? Okay. All of you have got 5 out of 5? So what about Diya? Diya's not there. Ivan, did you get 5 out of 5? Yes? Yes. Okay. Fine. I'll unmute you all. Yes, Ivan, you can talk to me. Got 5 out of 5? Yes. Okay. So we have learned many rules, children. Okay. So all the rules what we have learned have to be memorized. Remember all the rules. Okay. When we do the exercises, there are many exercises related to the topic. So when we do the exercises, I wanted all of you to remember all the rules. Okay. What is it?
Ma'am, Dia is calling you.
What is it? I could not hear you all.
Ma'am, Dia is calling you.
Dia, what happened, Dia?
is calling you.
Cannot hear me?
I cut my hair.
Okay, okay. You cut your hair. Very good. Okay, you're looking sweet. Yes. Okay, children, have all of you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everyone?
Yes.
So, okay then. So, have all of you got 5 out of 5 now? So, please go through the book, which is there. Please, all of you should go through your workbook. That is in page number 49 and 50. So, please go through the book, the rules. Okay. So, some rules have given, all the rules have given, like exception to these rules are. Okay. So, we have discussed certain rules today. So, please go through it. I'll be sending you the notes. So, you can copy it down into your notebook. Okay.
Okay,
So it's time for us to wind up today's session, children. Bye, all of you. Thank you all. Bye, children.
Bye.
Thank you all, children. Bye bye. Yes, thank you. Yes, children. Bye. Thank you all, children.